Where do you want to? Let's go straight down the middle. Where do you want to jump?
Ooh, let's see. Let's go for that graveyard.
Where's the graveyard? Where's it at? Ah, okay. Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I see him. Alright, I hear someone in a car.
Okay.
Sounds like a SUV. Yep, they might be coming up here.
From what direction?
325. 340 maybe. I think they're passing by. See if I can get a peep on them.
Oh shit! I just found an 8x scope. If you have a sniper rifle.
Oh wow. I wish. Because I was watching that truck the whole time. I would have been started shooting at him. Oh, I see a guy straight ahead, 250. You might not be able to see him yet because he's behind a tree, but you'll see him.
Where? 250.
Yeah, he might be over the hill now.
Oh, is he that
Let's see if
far?
he's still there. Well, not super far, but if
I
you
see him.
have
He's in the
that
tree. He's in the
8x
tree.
on that mini- Yep. Yep. Let me see if I can distract him. I'll run over here to the side. Oh, he's running away from it. 255, 250,
Yep. He's in that little house.
240. All right.
Hold on a second.
All right.
Let me come up there. Don't engage yet.
Oh, he's 230. He's running. He's running towards the plateau. 220.
I don't see him.
Oh, he's getting shot at. I just saw him get hit. 215.
Well, that's not good because we got to go that way.
Uh-huh. I don't know where he's getting shot from, though. 235.
Hit him.
Oh, shit. Oh, did you really?
Yep.
That's you shooting?
Yep.
Okay. I'm catching up to him at 125.
Okay.
Fuck, I'm already down. He got me good. Holy shit, dude.
At 125.
Yeah. If you think you can get him before you revive me, go for it. But he's definitely in there.
A shack at 125.
It's like that 2-level one.
Okay.
I don't know, I'm close to 50% health now, though. I'm bleeding out.
Okay.
I don't know why he's not going to come get me. Did you throw the smoke grenade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, revive. Damn.
Ooh, another first aid
I see
kit.
him. I see him right down on the rocks there.
Nice.
Straight ahead. Straight at 170. He's behind that
Oh,
rock
yeah.
ridge right there.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. God,
from
he's
the
got a
house.
good gun, dude.
That's from the house, I think.
Yep.
That might be someone else.
Fuck. Ah, god damn it. I'm getting hit. I'm trying to see his ass.
Hit him. He's
Somebody-
dead. He's
somebody
dead.
downed him.
He's dead. He's dead.
Oh.
He's dead.
Nice.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit.
Fuck.
Are they in that? Okay.
God damn it, he got me. Yep, he's in here. I'm down. He had a ghillie suit on, too.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting revived.
Yep, I'm dead. Nope. You're good.
Oh, I have to run across this whole fucking field. God damn it.
Fuck, man. Yeah, anytime I see a fucking...
I'm actually in a good spot.
Yeah, you are. Wait, wait. That's the guy that got me. Oh my god, dude.
Honestly, I like this map
Yeah,
better than
it's
the
alright.
fucking snow map.
Yeah,
Where do you want to
very
go?
much.
We can hit up the spot.
That's true, yeah, we can go there.
All right.
Alright, see one guy. Well, he's not. No, he's not going near us.
No, there's one guy coming with us. There's a whole group coming
Oh, I
with
see.
us. Oh shit,
Ooh, yeah,
they're
I see.
um
Okay.
they're landing first, so I'm going to these other houses right here. And I'll grab a
Okay.
gun and I'll fucking come out there. Oh, somebody's right next to me.
I'm coming over there.
He's down.
Nice.
Dead.
Oh shit! I'm already getting shot at. Fuck.
Alright.
I'm zigzagging.
There's a first aid kit
It's
in this
okay.
in this building if you want.
I'm covered. Oh. Yeah, he
Oh
sees
shit!
me.
Alright, hold up. I hear him. I hear him.
He just threw a Molotov. He's in this house right next to where I'm at. He's still in there.
I don't have any armor or a helmet, so
Yeah, I'm like about 40% health, so I gotta fucking...
oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's chasing. He's chasing you. Keep running. Keep running. Keep running towards me. Oh, I see him. I see him. All right, he's coming around. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. All right, look out that way. I'm gonna go this way. I think I heard him near me.
Okay.
I see someone.
I'm watching. Oh, where you at? Where you at?
Oh fuck! He downed me. He downed me. He's to the left of that building. He's coming. He's coming. Coming to the left. Coming to the left. Blast him.
He's dead.
All right. Nice. Good work. He's dead. He died immediately.
Right away, yeah.
Okay. Excellent. You don't have a helmet either.
No, nothing. I only have ammo.
He's in the building next to me. He's in the building. I see him.
Okay.
Hit him. He jumped out.
Nice.
Or did he jump out? I don't know if he might still be in the building. If you got a throwable, throw it in there. Be careful.
I don't.
I see him.
I got him.
Go
I see
around.
him.
Go around. Go around. Go around. Go around. He's down. He's down.
Ooh,
He's dead. He's dead. All right.
sweet.
I don't. He did not die immediately, so his partner might be there.
Ah, shit, he's in here. He's right around the corner.
Ah! Damn! I didn't have any fucking
he's
armor
definitely-
or helmet. That's fucking bullshit.
Same. Alright.
Let's do it. All right, where we jumping?
Let's go for Impala.
All right. North side or south side?
Ooh, south side.
All right.
Oh, Oh my god, there's two of them dropping right on top of us, dude. One of them's gonna land right next to the building you're in.
On the
I
which
got
side?
eyes on it. On the south side. Oh yeah, it's right. Oh, they're
my
right behind each
God.
other. Oh man, yeah, they're M249 too. That's that one that has 100 fucking round capacity. I'm sticking with my barrel and Groza.
Yeah, I'm sticking with mine.
Oh, here comes the wall.
We're good. We're good. I am not getting on that motherfucking death trap. Fuck you. Out your goddamn mind.
Oh, I just found a guy.
On you?
Yeah, I just knocked him out. I hit him.
Oh shit.
Oh, I'm knocked out. I'm knocked out.
Where is it coming from?
I'm over here, 305. It's up
I
on a
see
hill.
you, but he's
He's
up
throwing
on
a
the hill?
smoke grenade. Yeah, I'm on a hill with him. He's bleeding out. He's about to get killed. I don't know if he'll be able to make it out here. Oh yeah, he can. I'm trying to work my way down the hill. Fuck, I'm dead. Oh, sweet.
Got him.
Nice. What's that, 2 for you?
1.
Okay. Oh yeah, the one you got earlier counted for me. Holy shit! That was a nice try on their part. They're coming back for sure.
Oh shit.
Damn.
I didn't even realize the circle is that goddamn close.
Me either.
Oh, I'm fucked.
Yeah, they took the hell off too.
Fucking hate this map. God.
I know, dude. Fuck, I had such an amazing loadout too. I didn't get to fire one fucking
Yeah.
shot.
Hey, what'd I tell you? You get on that fucking death trap, you die.
It
Oh,
wasn't
God.
the motorcycle though.
Yeah, they heard you on it. Oh god. Oh god.
I
I'm not
ran
gonna
the. I
make it.
ran. Yeah. The guy that you killed, I ran him over and he was bleeding out.
Oh, come on! No! Son of a bitch! Why?
Oh my
You
god.
fucking
dude.
tease of a game. Ugh.
Jesus Christ. Fuck, I hate this map. God
Fuck it,
damn
let's
it.
just go to Picado.
Let's just jump
let's
up. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Let's battle it out. Let's jump in Picados. Whatever, make it a quick game. Try to
Alright.
get some kills. Just try to get some fucking kills. See anybody with us?
Yes, an assload of people.
Oh my
An absolute
god.
shitload of people.
Holy shit. Alright, I'm jumping to the north end. Let's light them up.
Yeah.
Behind.
Gotcha.
Get behind something. Get behind something.
Shit. Ah, god damn it. God fucking damn it. God damn this fucking map. Everyone's a fucking sniper. He got me with the SKS. He got me through the holes of the car. There you go.
I can't hit him! Alright,
Why
finally!
wasn't he fucking dying? Did he die?
I don't know. He died. I got it just right before I died. I was like, I'm getting this motherfucker. I'm
damn.
thirsting this motherfucker. Alright, Snowland.
Fuck, it's a fucking breath of fresh air compared to that goddamn desert.
Oh. Of course, nothing is even close to being rendered. I don't even know if I'm in the right spot. Right, there.
Come on.
Oh, never mind. The circle's good. We good.
Okay.
That's a new circle.
Well, it's in the one... I think it's in the one that had the garage where I parked the car.
Okay.
I think it's on the upper floor. I'll look in these other houses just to be sure. Jumping through a window.
Guy, there's
Is
a
that
guy
you?
in the house with me. In the house with me. I'm dead. He's right on top of my body. No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, I'm coming.
He's
getting you.
right on top of my body. Throw a grenade in there. Throw a grenade in there. That's me. I didn't even know there was somebody in there. Fucking throw a grenade in the hallway. Right there. Oh god! Nice. Go through the window to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Go outside. No! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. I was like, oh, fucking grenade. Holy shit. Run! I didn't even hear that motherfucker. Oh, fucking dumb. I should have fucking realized that shit. God damn it, that pisses me off. Oh shit.
Shit! That was a different guy.
What the fuck?
I
Whatever.
think that was a different guy. Yep, it was a
That was
totally different guy.
fucking stupid. That was fucking stupid.
God damn it.
Damn it.